Hey there, Ori. We got a big job to do today. We gotta feed our chickens and collect their eggs. Maya here is trying to eat our chicken feed. We're gonna offer them these peanut shells and some rice cake, and we've got some old sausages. All right, let's put them in the compost bin. Do we have anything that could open this lid here? Do you have a crane arm?
Yeah.
Open up. All right, here we go. Wait, Maya, none of that, girl. Put her on there. Now we gotta lift this up into the compost. And, oh, we got some good peanuts here. We'll leave those here for later. But let's put this rice cake in and some shells. Whoa, into the compost. A couple more here. There we go. All right, Crane, put the lid on. Perfect. Now all we need to do is get dressed to go outside. We're gonna need your help with this compost here. And we have an egg carton for you to carry. Hovering, hovering, hovering.
Followed us.
They did follow us. But we're gonna lead them back to the coop, and they can eat their compost there, and then we can collect the eggs. Can I hitch a ride with you, Big Tonka?
Yeah.
Sweet.
But can you take us off of him? Because that doesn't push. Now, how about you drive him and...
Do I get to scoop the eggs out of the nest?
Yeah.
Sweet. Let's roll.
Go, Big Tonka.
Can I use my jetpacks to hover? Sweet. Chicken coop. Let's set that down. I don't think they want that. Maybe they do. Oh, we got something. Sorry, we got something more exciting for you here. Just gonna pop that lid off. Let's back it up. Back it up. Good stuff for you. We're gonna do a hovering fly with it. Ready?
No.
Wait, I'm gonna throw it to you. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, we gotta throw it further. Come on. Woo. Got some.
That one got the right. Hey, oh.
Quick, let's go get the eggs while they're out here eating compost.
See.
I put all the eggs here in this carton. Shall I lift it into your bed?
Well, this it may be more in there.
More eggs?
Yeah.
What makes you say that?
Well, I think a chicken is on more eggs.
There's a chicken laying on the eggs right now?
Yeah.
Should we go and move her and see if there's any eggs?
Well, chickens have very strong tattoos. Yeah, what?
They do have strong beaks. They might peck us.
Yes, we don't stay out of there.
All right, we'll check later. Shall we load the compost bucket back into your bed?
Yep.
Here we go. And the lid. special cargo here.
Well, I'm already full.
You are. Should we go put them in the fridge so folks can eat them and take them home?
Yeah.
In the market stand?
Yeah, just right and at the side of this chicken coop.
Right at the side of the chicken coop. Okay, come on, Mr. Ambulance. Don't take a nap. Get up and join us. Ooh, there we go. I'll just climb in here. Whoa, it's yucky. Whoa, yucky. Oh no.
Well, follow me for boulder.
Okay. Gotta return this to your compost bin, and then we need to get some wood for our house.
Yeah.
Let's go. Hovering.
Robin. We born in a Jordan shed.
Let's go in the garden shed then.
Grandma,
Oh yeah, that's not our house. It's the people's house. The people need the wood. We don't need wood because we live in a garden shed. Should we help out the people?
wait a minute. I just turn my tires off. Maybe we can be in the human house too.
You think if you clean your tires off, you can be in the human house?
Yeah.
But you just drove through chicken land. It's got poop and all kinds of dirty things.
Well, I'll just dump this off. Then I'll just go inside and walk my tires off. Then
I guess we'll have to ask the people if that's okay.
yeah, because I clean my tires off. They don't do that. So, let's drive it now.
All right.
Hey, I realized. How about we see how bad we are? We clean our tires off. We do humans well let us come in the house. We clean our tires off before we see how bad we are.
Okay.
I'm super bad, so you're super bad, I'm super bad. Maybe they will.
Because we're big?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe I'm going to. Maybe you're all dead. Maybe both of us are bad.
Okay. I thought that compost bin had to get to the house.
What? Okay. I can go now. Let's go outside this protein gas station to fill up my gas.
Okay, let's fill up gas.
This is a gas station.
Where are you filling it up?
Right here.
Where's the hose?
It's right here. That goes my tire.
Do I get some too?
Yeah? And it goes in those suits. Here we go. Now we have filled up with gas. Oh! Come on, boat
Okay.
Yeah. I'll stop for gas. I'll stop for gas. I'll
That's a job well done.
Wow. To clean off for tires.
All right.